Hi everyone, I just want to share with you another journal that I've made. It's a Traveller's Notebook and it's made using Digtal Kits and Ephemera and some freebies from Tsunami Rose, and I will link all that below. The freebies were the Franken pages and the Franken tags that Daisy had done a live video on the other day, and she's kindly shared them on her blog for us to use, so don't forget to go and check that out. So the Traveller's Notebook measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. It has one signature. There are 72 pages front and back. It's quite a chunky one. There is quite a lot of ephemera inside this. And it's most of it's removable, so it's not all fixed down. That is the front. I've used a Tim Holtz book plate with some bling here and the word journal, and that is the back. Has been sewn onto 2 sheets of thick cardstock and then it's been distress inked. So let's go inside. Let's see if I can do this. I've tried to do this video about 3 times and kept getting interrupted. People at the door, dogs barking, you know, the usual. So this is the front page, the inside. Oh, I'll start again. This is the first page. Love this, these new pages, as they're all kind of collaged looking, from like vintage advertisements. Excuse me. Still got this cough, but I do feel much better. So on the inside here, I've got a double pocket, and there is a tag, a large tag in the back there, and I've used one of the no, I can't get it back in. I've used one of the fill sheets, printed I think 2 of them out, and I've made pockets with them. And this is one of the freebies on her blog, on Daisy's blog, and it's a Franken tag. This would be ideal if you don't have a sewing machine and you love that look, so you can get your hands on them over on the blog. Like I said, I will link it all below. A journal card and some ephemera. There is dictionary page, some Edith Holden. There's plenty of places to write. There's some stamping. There's another page here, and this flips out. We have some ephemera here and here. Now Daisy's got loads and loads of different packs where you can get loads of different ephemera, and at the moment there is a sale, and that's all stated on her website, so check that out. This is one of the Franken pages that she's done as a freebie. I've just coffee dyed that, so I thought that was a nice little addition. So it just folds up and pops in there for additional journaling space. We have a tag here and a doily on a paper bag. Here we just have a postcard and some ephemera, and well, actually this is an envelope. I like that kind of black and white look. And then one of the large not mason jars, are they bowl jars they're called? I think they're called bowl jars, could be wrong. Let's pop that all back in. Yeah, so there is that. Another ephemera page. Here we have a pocket, another Franken tag, some ephemera, and this folds out. So there's lots of journaling on there. I'm getting in a right muddle now. Some more ephemera. It's like a large postcard. And then a large tag to journal on or add photos. So that all just pops in there. There is another dictionary page, another Edith Holden. Got a pocket here. This is using some of Daisy's ephemera. They kind of come like that, and she's got loads of different ones. So I kind of used the muted tone ones rather than having the flowery ones. So I obviously chopped them in half, took the lines away and just made a pocket here. And then we have this postcard and another Franken tag and some more ephemera. Centre of signature, another pocket here, the tag, a Franken tag, some ephemera, more ephemera. There is literally hundreds and hundreds of like vintage ephemera that Daisy has in her shop. There's another piece of ephemera that I've just folded just to fit in here. Another flip out here, and then inside there is this ephemera and this, and another Franken page. I really like them. I must actually try and have a go at these myself. Another envelope here with a bowl jar. Could actually colour that in. It's quite nice. The envelope, which just pops on there. Or does it go that way? Does it? I can't remember which way I had that. I think it was that way. Some more ephemera and a postcard. Again, you could colour all these in. Some edge punching, the other side of the paper bag, a doily, the other side of the tag, another pocket here which is stuffed full of ephemera and tags. That's another Franken tag. And what I done, once I printed them out, I backed them onto some white cardstock and then just inked around the edge. There's another Franken tag, some ephemera, and another piece of ephemera. So lots and lots of, I mean, everything in the journal, all the tags and ephemera can all be written on the backs, or you could even gesso the fronts and write over them. So that's one of the other pages. Oops. Another pocket here. And another flip out page here with some ephemera. And that is the back. So that is the journal. It is quite chunky, it is packed. You can take, like I said, you can take stuff out, you can use it in other journals if you didn't want it to be so chunky. All the links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.